In today's video, I'll teach you how to collect CoinGecko candy. First of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinGecko application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the market interface. So CoinGecko offers you the candy if you log into CoinGecko application regularly. In order to collect that candy, what you have to do is tap on the candy icon that you can see right over here on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the CoinGecko candy interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to collect the candy every day you log into CoinGecko. You'll be able to exchange this candy for exclusive rewards. Over here, you'll be able to see the amount of candy you'll be able to collect today. What you have to do is simply tap on this option, collect candy. Now you can see over here those candies has been collected. Now simply log into CoinGecko application tomorrow and you'll be able to collect more candies. So that is how you collect CoinGecko candy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.